It's no secret that most of the big name stars have enhanced their looks with a nip, a tuck, and the odd bag of silicone. But you may be surprised at how many have changed their identity as well. Come to think of it, in Romeo and Juliet, Shakespeare posed the question, what's in a name?
Well, the answer may be more than you think. Let's begin with A for Amitabh, alias the Big B. His birth certificate was made out to Inqilab Bachchan. Yes, you heard correctly, Inqilab. And it was only after he began his acting career that a film industry insider suggested that he change his first name.
Well, just as well, because would he have achieved the same success if he'd been known as the angry young Inky?
I don't know. Now let's talk about the sexy actor with a six-pack.
I would rather say 8-pack. Ranveer Singh didn't have to do anything radical to his looks or his name when he became an actor. Randy just dropped his surname, Bhavani, which he said was too long.
I wonder what they think of mine.
Ranveer claims that the kiss he shares with Deepika Padukone is the best you'll ever see in a Hindi movie, which may just have something to do with their obvious chemistry they have on and off the screen.
Well, I just hope that Deepika is the jealous kind, because Ranveer makes no secret about carrying a condom in his wallet at all times.
Ever-ready Ranveer has also made history as the first male Indian cinema star to endorse a condom brand. And we have lined up a snippet of the man in action, rapping and dancing, that is.
I love it, this feeling, it's crazy, ye kya nasha hai, zalim zamana kahe, mohabbat ek saza hai, barish ko girne do, khud ko main rokh hi na pata, galiyon mein phirne do, haath mein leke khushiyon ka chhata. I love it, this feeling, crazy feeling, got me reeling. I love it, this feeling.
Now on to Piggy Chops, aka Priyanka Chopra.
Hey, you better watch out, she's all about the boxing for her latest movie, Miracle.
And it's scheduled for release on September the 5th.
Will it be a knockout at the box office?
Well, that we can't say, but I wouldn't pick a fight with Priyanka.